Morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Fatmiasa Fasaima. I am in grade 12. I'm here now, of course. I went to school here. This school is in Sri Islam Village. It's Saparua Sub-District and Central Maluku District. As you may know, in Saparua there are many different religions. So, religious moderation is the main focus in its Saparua District, Central Maluku region. Various efforts have been made to strengthen unity and integrity between religious communities in these regions amidst its diversity. One of the concrete steps is the inauguration of the Religious Moderation Monument on December 27, 2023. This movement is a symbol of the East Saparua community's commitment to safeguarding and maintaining inter-religious harmony. At the inauguration of this movement, there were various performances from children from Itawaka School, Impress 130 Elementary School, Negeri 40 Elementary School, Madrasah Ibtidaiyah Negeri 3, Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 4, and Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 3 Elementary Central Maluku. The inauguration of the Religious Moderation Monument was inaugurated by the Regent of Central Maluku, the head of the Regency Ministry of Religion Office, and the head of the Maluku Province Ministry of Religion's Regional Office. Amazing. This Religious Moderation Monument is in front of the Sri Islam Village and in front of the Baitul Mosque in Negeri Sri Islam. That's all from me. But before that, I want to say a few words. Let us make religious differences a blessing, not a division. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.